Good afternoon. Is my voice audible? Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So good afternoon and welcome for the today's class. So before we'll start the class, I would like to give the introduction. The topic which we are going to discuss was the Facebook ads, which we are going to do practically. But I request all of you listen carefully, and if you want to write down, you can write down the notes also, because this is a crucial time where you are not physically present here, because I can't correct them, ask them to open your laptop and do it. So I request all of you, keep a paper and pen with you and write down certain steps, because all of you has to create a Facebook account, and we'll do step by step, and we'll practice one ad today, and you have to prepare the similar kind of ad, and you need to post it on the Facebook. So for that, the coming half an hour, 40 minutes time is very, very important. And whatever the doubts you have, we will discuss at the end. At the end, we will discuss. Right now, coming to the today's class, friends. In the previous class, we just started understanding what is a Facebook and what are the Facebook ads and how we need to create the Facebook. So I said, most of your students, you does not have the Facebook account. So I requested you to go for a Facebook account. But personal Facebook account is not enough to run your business or to run your advertisements. So for that, what we have done, so we have first created a Facebook account, and from that Facebook account, we have created a Facebook page, and we are calling it as a business page. Now, I think in the previous class, most of you are there in the class. Last class, we created a Facebook page. Can anyone name what is the name of the business we kept in the last class? Anyone?
SR
Because
Organics.
not SR. We right. Thanks for remembering, but not SR. We change it to Astra Organics. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we start from that page only. And I request all of you, and even if you have not done also, do it quickly. Do it. Do create a page. Now I want to show that page and what are the other things we need to do in that page. We will explain today how to create an ad. Right now, straight away, I'm sharing the screen with you. Right. So can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
This page, what you are seeing now, this is my personal page. This is not the business profile. So to go to the business profile, what we need to do, we need to click where we need to click. First step, what is the first step we need to do? We need to click on.
Those 6 dots, sir. 9 dots.
Yes, very good. So I am also clicking on 9 dots. and straight away I am clicking on page. Yes, we have done this. I am clicking on page. Yes. Now, like this, what we have done, we have created a page, isn't it? We have done in the previous class, isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have done this. So instead of doing again, what we'll do is we'll straight away we'll go to the page. We'll straight away we'll go to the page and we will practice. Or else we will do it again. What is there in that? So we'll keep it as Astra Organics. Now category is food. Category is food delivery service. Bio is optional. I am creating a page. I'm created a page. Right. Food delivery app. Right. So it is showing something. So what we'll do is right now Astra Organics and I have created a page. And again it is showing some error. We'll change it. SRU Organics. So it is creating a page. It is taking time, please. Right. Now it is asking some basic information. So website information, we are giving SR University website only. www.sru.edu.in. Phone number, I'm giving my number. Change it to India. Change it to India. Send it. And address. And my store is always open. And click on next. Yes. Now add. You can add a profile picture. So for that, you can add a profile picture. If the profile picture is there, you can add it. So I'm adding one page. And even you can add a cover page also. After that, click on next. Once you click it, your page is ready. Right. Now, if you want to connect it to the WhatsApp number also, you can connect it. But right now, I'm skipping this step. Right. And if you want to invite your friends also, you can invite. Right. If you want notification, click on done. Right. Now, our SRU Organics page is open. Up to here, it is clear. Friends, up to here, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Up to what we have done, we have opened the personal account, clicked on the 9 dots, clicked on the page, and you have given some information of your business, and we have created the page. Now, up to here, it is clear. Now, in the left side, you can see that there is a option called create ad. All of you, can you see this create ad? You can see this. I'm highlighting this. Can you see this? Create ad.
Yes, sir.
Right now, but before creating ad, in the previous class, I said there are two managers. How many of you have remember? I don't know. There are two managers. One is ad manager, another one is business manager. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So now what we'll do is page is created. Page is created. But to manage all these accounts, we need to create a business manager account also. Do you understand, friends? So we need to create a business manager. Now we have only created a page. But to manage all these, what we need to create? We need to create a business manager. So for that, what you need to do is open a new tab. Open a new tab. And please, if you want to write down. What you need to type is business.facebook/overview. Please, you can write down business.facebook/overview. So now you will get this. Now, which you can see a website, Meta for Business. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. What you need to do is you need to click on Business Facebook Overview. You will get this one. And now we are entering into Meta Business account. Now, as you all know that now Facebook is converted into a Meta. Now we'll call it as a Meta ad. Now we are calling it as a Meta ad. Now all of you, sir, what happened to the page means leave the page for 5 to 10 minutes. We'll go to the page to create an ad. But before that, we need to set up a business account. So for that business account, what you all to know is type business.facebook.overview. You will be in this particular page, isn't it? And click on this page. And once you click on this page, if you are doing for first time, you does not get this. But how right now I'm clicking here. If you see that below the Meta Business Suite, I'm clicking here. There is bottom, there is a option called, you can see at the bottom. What is that option you can see at the bottom? At the bottom you can see an
portfolio.
right, very good. Now if you want to create a business manager account, you need to create a business profile. So I have highlighted it, do that. So what we'll do is first we create business profile, then we will go to our page. Now I am clicking on the business profile. I am creating a new business profile. I'm clicking on new business profile. Right. Now, what you need to do, you need to create your profile name. Now, what I am doing, I'm typing SRU Organics. So what is my business profile name? SRU Organics. Now, what is my first name? I'm adding my first name. And I have given an email ID also. Now, for that, what I need to do, I'm clicking on create. Up to here, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So go to business.facebook.com, create a business profile. You will get this box. In that box, give your business name, give your name, first name and your surname, write your business email and click create. Babu C4. Hello, C4. Who is C4? C4 disturbance. Right. Now I am clicking on create. Now it is creating a problem that choose a different name for your business portfolio. So now we will change the name because it is not accepting. So what we will do is Astra Organics Limited. So what I am typing is Astra Organics Limited and I'll see create. Right. Now it is created. Now actually in my account there are more than 2. So it is saying that you have reached the limit. So but when you create it, because you are doing for first time, it will be created. Okay? You understand what I am saying? Because if you see that in my account, how many accounts are there? If you see that, you can see that how many are there. There are SRU Organics, Astra Organics, all these are there. But actually the limit is 3 to 4 only. Right. Now you got my point? హలో బాబు ఏ C4 నేను తీసేస్తాను నేను టీంలోకి వెళ్ళి. Right, up to here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now what we need to do is we have created a which account? We have created a business account. Now here we have created a manager. If you see that, you can see that there is an ad manager here. What you have done, you have created a business account, and in that business account, who is there here? You can see I'm highlighting. Who is this person?
Ad manager.
Yes, ad manager. Ad manager is there. Now we will see how the ad manager will do what is the activity. So I'm clicking on ad manager and ad manager overview. Now what ad manager will do, all these will be there here. But yes, so this is ad manager account. Ad manager will look after all these accounts and all those. Now ad manager account, and more important, what is you need to do is under ad manager, there is an option called, I'm highlighting this, you can see what is most important here. What is important here in the ad manager? What you need to do?
Payment method.
Yes, payment method. Because I said in the previous class, Facebook ads are not free. Facebook ads are paid ads. So to do that, what we need to do? We need to add a payment method. So payment method you need to add. But here friends, for your class, it is not required. Only you create this page and take a screenshot. It is clear?
Okay, sir.
Right. So now business manager account and ad manager account is created. Now again we'll go to our main website. What is that? Our main website. Now account is created. Now what is our main thing we have done earlier?
SR
What we have
organic.
done? Yes, SR organic we have
Food
created. So
delivery
what
app.
will food delivery app? We'll go to that particular app. We will go. Right. So is it the page? You can see SRU Organics.
Yes.
Right. Now here your marks assignment box starts here. Now if you are in your page, here you can see an option called create ad. You can see here. You can see create ad. Is it visible? Can you see this create ad?
Yes, sir.
So click on that. So what you need to do? Simply click on that. Yes. So you are creating a new ad. Right. Now you are creating a new ad. You are creating a new ad. Wait, Amma, wait. So you are right. Now, once you have enter is, again click on 9 dots. Now what you need to do, click on 9 dots and you can see add here. Click on 9 dots, you can see add here. Can you see this ad here?
Yes, sir.
Click on 9 dots and you can see add here. I'm clicking on add. Right. Now we are entering into how to create an ad. Right. Now, can you see a box here? Can you see a box here? Once you started, click it on 9 dots. Once you are in on page, now I am in SR Organics page. In that page, if you want to create ad, what is the first step? Click on 9 dots and click on ad, and you will get this window. Now, what is this window? Can anybody read what is the first objective?
Awareness.
Awareness.
Awareness. Second one,
Traffic.
traffic. Third one, engagement, leads. Now, first basic thing what you need to do is, for example, I am starting an SR Organics center. Now, first what I need to do, nobody knows about SR Organics. Now, which objective is suitable here? There are certain
Awareness.
objectives. Yes, very good. Now, without objectives, you can't create an ad. Without objective, for example, already I have created awareness in the previous ad. Now, business is running. What is the second thing you can do?
Traffic.
Second, right? Because my website traffic should get. You understand, friends?
Yes, sir.
And please, whenever you are clicking, whenever you are keeping your cursor on that, you can see that it is good for awareness, is good for reach, brand awareness, and video views. Now, traffic is good for links, landing page, everything. Means this Meta has given all the information. But before we create an ad for awareness, let me explain an important thing. We are using a word called Facebook ad account structure. Now, what the word I am using? Facebook ad account structure. Isn't it? Now, if you see this, all the structure here, what you can see is this structure we are dividing into campaigns. This structure we are dividing into campaign level 1. And once the campaign level is done, then we are going for ad set. And then we are going with an ad. Now you can understand what exactly the structure is about. Now you got the clarity? Anyone, please? Hello? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so what a structure consists of? How many levels a structure has?
3 levels, sir.
3 levels. So first what we need to create? We need to create a campaign. Once the campaign is created, you need to create an ad set. And after that, you need to create an ad copy. So these are the 3 levels of this Facebook ad structure, ad account structure. Now, if you want to start an ad, the first and most important thing, what you need to do is you need to create a campaign. Now, I'm selecting this, create a campaign. Now, if you see that I'm highlighting, what is the first level? I'm highlighting this. What is level 1?
Campaigns.
Campaign level. Now, once campaign level is completed, then we can move to the next level. Now, what is that next level? Level 2?
Ad set.
Ad set level. Once ad set level is completed, we'll in the final set called
Ads.
Ads.
ad. And here ad, we are calling it as ad copy. So what is the third level is called as?
Ad copy.
Ad copy means the ad or the picture, image, the post which we will see is the level called as third level, and we are calling it as ad copy. So now you understood the Facebook ad account has a 3-level structure, and it is for almost even for LinkedIn and Twitter also. They have the same structure level. It will have but name we call by different names. But what is most important is it starts with a campaign followed by ad sets and also an ad. Now up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we create a campaign. Now at the campaign bottom, you can see there is a symbol called create. Can you see this one? Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what we need to do, we'll click on. So right. Now once you click it, again you got the campaign objective. Now which objective we need to do first? First task?
Awareness.
Awareness.
Yes. Why awareness? Why awareness? Because The SR Organics
Branding.
is a firm. Yes, we are starting with zero branding because nobody knows SRU Organics here. Nobody knows. So what is the best campaign you can do in the earlier stages is an awareness campaign. So what is my first objective under Facebook account is awareness, creating an awareness campaign. And now why awareness campaign is very, very important. It is good. Awareness campaign shows your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Now, what is the purpose of creating awareness means people who like most and remember them. For them, will do awareness. Now, it is good for reach. It is good for creating brand awareness, and also most important, if you want more video likes, you have to go with the awareness. So select the campaign objective awareness and click on continue. Now once you select it, now you are in first level. Now just now I said the structure is made up of 3 levels. Now what is this first structure? What is the first structure we said?
Campaigning.
Yes, campaign level. Now we are in a campaign page. So friends, understand, once the campaign details, once we completed or finished, we'll move to the ad set level. Once ad set level details are completed, we'll move to the ad copy level. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what I am doing, I am giving a name. I should give a campaign name. Now new campaign. So instead of that, what I am giving a name is SRU awareness campaign. What is the campaign name? SRU
Awareness campaign.
awareness campaign. So fill this. And now there is a buying type. Now buying type, we have auction and we have reservation. So keep our auction as it is. Don't change it. So please write down. If you have a paper and pen, write down. Under campaign details, don't change anything. Simply keep it auction. Now the next one, there is a campaign budget. Now, how much amount you want to keep for your ad? So that you need to define, isn't it? Now here you can have a campaign bid strategy. Now click on that. Next one is campaign bid strategy. Click on that. So what you need to do here is cost per result goal. I am clicking on cost per result goal. Now, sir, you may ask, sir, what is this means? For example, I have created an ad. Now, whoever clicks on my ad, I need to pay certain amount. Now, friends, why we created a business account? Now you got understand. In business account, what we have done, we need to add the payment method. Do you understand, friends?
Yes, sir.
So that amount which you have added there, it will be deducted based on the goal here. Now cost per result goal. For example, I am spending some 50,000 on this. So for each click, how much you are spending? So the best option, go for cost for result goal. Now A/B testing, don't change anything, keep as it is. And if you want to do any special category ads, you can click here. Right. Now, what is this special category? Now, for example, if you are making an ad related to financial products, like for example, a stock market related, or maybe an investment, or maybe other investment like financial instruments, if you are doing this kind of special thing, what you need to do? You need to select. But we are not doing anything. So keep special as it is. Now in first campaign level, we have done only 3 things. What is the first one we have done? If you see that, what is the first one we have done, friends? We have created a campaign.
Awareness.
Campaign name. We have created campaign name. Now,
SRU
what is
awareness campaign.
right? Now it is budget type. What we have kept budget type should be? Budget type should be auction only. Clear?
Yes.
Now, third one is what we have done. Third one simply, we have set the, what we have set? Please respond.
Cost per result goal.
Yes, very good. Why we are doing this? Because when you make an ad, if people click on that ad, this amount need to be paid to the Meta. You understand? For example, I am from SR Organics. I am placing an ad. If somebody clicks my ad, amount will be deducted from Meta or from the SR Organics. From which amount it will be deducted?
Yes, sir. Organics.
Right. So that is the reason what we have created. Before creating the page, creating ad, we created business account manager. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, once this is done, what you need to do? Simply click on next. Click on next. So slowly from first step, from campaign level, we move to the second level. Now, what is the second level?
Assets.
Yes. And friends, if you see the left side, you can see all the three sets are there here. If you see the set, first one is campaign. Once campaign is over, what is second one?
Ad sets.
Ad. Now we are in ad set. Now what we are doing is, again, I am giving a name for ad set. Now what I am doing, I am giving a name here. SRU test. SRU test. I'm giving a name called SRU test because I am testing. Now, what is your goal? You can see what is your goal here. What is your goal?
Awareness.
Yes, awareness is your goal. Now, if you click next performance goal, what you want, whether you want to reach the ad maximum or whether you want to maximum number of impressions or people will lift the call. So what is the first one? What we will do is our campaign should reach to the maximum level. So which one I am selecting?
Maximum level.
Maximum level. Now what is your SR? What is your Facebook page? Already it will defining SR page. Now SR page, what I am doing? What is your by default SR page? What your default SR page? SR Organics.
Organics.
Right. Now this will directly, it will come. Now friends, if you see that here, after that, whatever we created, the cost per result goal. Now, if you see that, how much amount you are spending?
200.
200.
Right. So 200. Now, if you are spending 200, you can see on the right hand side, there is a information. I'll show it to you. Now, you want to spend, no sir, I want to spend only 100 rupees. No, I don't want to spend. So how much amount I want to spend? Only
100 rupees.
100 rupees per goal. But what it is asking 100 rupees. Now, if you come to right side, if you spend 100 rupees, what is your estimated audience? If you see here, how much estimated audience you can get it, you are getting clear information here. So this meta ads
Yes,
is giving
sir.
an estimation. It is an estimation. You will get this much audience if you spend 100 rupees, isn't it? So how much amount you want to spend, you need to mention here. And this 100 rupees will be deducted from where? Where it will be deducted from?
SR Organics.
SR Organics. But from which account? Already from business manager account we have created earlier. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In that we need to add the amount. From that amount, it will be added.
Deducted.
Now up to here it is clear? Right. Now, sir, next one. How many days you want to run? Sir, I want to run target. Click on frequency control means target. Click on target. Isn't it? Wait. So what we are doing is, please don't change any frequency control. Keep as it is. Write down frequency control as it is. Now delivery type is also standard as it is. Now if you dynamic creativity is also important, and straight away click on come to budget and
Here.
come to straight away budget and
Schedule.
what is schedule right now. How much budget you want to spend? So here in budget, there are two options. Daily budget, lifetime budget. Can you see that? Daily budget and
Lifetime budget.
but as a beginner of Facebook ad learner or meta ad, always use daily budget. Don't go for lifetime budget. Now, daily, how much amount I want to spend?
100 rupees or
How much?
200 rupees.
200. So what we'll do is we'll change it to 100 rupees. Now every day, 100 rupees will be deducted from my account, isn't it? But here the Google is asking, Meta is asking, it should be minimum 175. So we'll also make it to 175. So daily my budget is how much?
175.
Why?
Right. Because if you keep less than that, the Meta will not work. Isn't it? So per day I want to spend. Right. Now my daily budget is 175. Now you want to run the campaign from today. And now what is set date will run for 1 week. Now today is 18th. So no sir, I want to run it for 2 weeks or maybe custom 1 week. Isn't it? So I want to run this up to 25th. Now you got the clarity? 175 rupees I want to spend. Isn't it? 175 rupees I want to spend. For how many days I want to spend on my ad? For
1 week.
7 days. For 1 week. Isn't it? Now, the most important after budgeting and scheduling, straight away come to control audience. Control audience. Now, what type of audience you want? Isn't it? What type of audience you want? Isn't it? So which audience? Now see audience control for all campaigns. Isn't it? So click on that. Now you want audience from India or other country. Select India. Now you want from in India, I want from Telangana, for example. Only cities, including all areas. India. So I want from India. Next. If you want to add, you can add. Right. Now you want to add Warangal, Telangana. You got the point. Now I want people in Warangal and in and Warangal 40 kilometers, they can see my ad. You got the point here. Right. Now audience I have set. Once audience is set, next click on which age group? Minimum age. Click on age. Now minimum age is 18. Done. Isn't it? Next language. No, I want to go it for only English. English US. And here target audience you leave. Now placements. Next one is placements. You are following or not? Please.
Yes, sir.
Right. Only whatever the changes I am doing, only do only those changes. Don't touch anything. Right. Now we are not touching the placements. And once, so friends, I'll recall what we have done is we have given ad set name. Our awareness goal is maximum reach. Budget is how much budget you are spending? 100 per day. Isn't it? And your daily budget. In daily budget or lifetime budget, which one we need to choose?
Daily.
daily. And daily, how much you are spending? 175.
One
And your starting campaign date is 18th August. And you can set up to 1 week. So I want to set up for 1 week. Up to 25th, I want to run it. Next, go to the location. Click on location, select India. Age, maintain 18, or if you want to change it, you can change it to 20 years also. And language is English US. That's it. Straight away. Once it is done, click on next. Now, second part is also completed. Now, what is the third part? What is third one here? Right, very good. Now, third one, what you need to do? You need to create an ad. You need to create an ad here. Isn't it? Now, you should give a name for that ad. You simply give the ad campaign name. So I'm giving campaign ad name, for example, what we called as summer sale. Now I'm giving a name called summer sale. Right. Facebook page is same. Here, if you want to add your Facebook or if you want to add Instagram, you can add it. But if you want to add it now, now you can see a symbol called ad setup. Can you see this ad setup?
Yes, sir.
Right here, click on create ad. Click on create ad. Now I'm clicking on that create ad. Now come down and you can see single image or video, or you can see a carousel. Now what is single image means? If I publish only one image or one poster, one post, then it is single image. Now what is carousel means? In one ad, if I keep 2 or 3 what we called as photos, pictures. Now for example, SR University is providing placements, it is providing organizing sports, it is providing cultural event. In one poster, if I add 3 to 4 pictures, then it is known as a what we call as carousel. But here, friends, we are not doing anything. What we are doing, we are simply we are doing? We are selecting what?
Single image or video.
Right, single image or video. Now we'll select only the single image. We'll only select the single image. Wait. Right. Now, once it is done, now come to here, add creative. Here in add creative, you have 2 options. What are the 2 options here?
Image ad, video ad.
Right. We are adding image. I'm clicking on image. Right. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting already I have shared one thing. So now I want to add it. Now, whether you want in a square format, vertical format, or original format. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting original and selecting next. Now with the poster, what you want to add means what I'm adding a caption as from farm to home. Now what is my caption? From
Farm to
from
home.
farm to home. Because when you display this, when the ad is shown to the viewers, what they can see that you can also see that from farm to home. So type it and click on done. Right now, once it is done, you can see here Wait. So there is a you can see here the ad preview. I'm scrolling down. Can you see this ad here? You can see the ad here. Can you see here? The image which I have uploaded. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Is it upload? And what the caption I have given from
From farm to home.
farm to home says I have created. Isn't it? And once it is done, what you need to do? Wait. Right. So one campaign, you can see the ad here from farm to home. Right now, what you need to do is simply farm to home and come down. And simply what you need to do, only click on publish. At the green color button, you can see that. Click on publish. I'm clicking on publish. But so now up to here it is clear,
Yes, sir.
right? This is how simple you can create. Now I'll show within 5 minutes how you need to create. So now a structure has how many ads you need to do? How many levels?
3.
3. Now first one, if you see that, click on the green button. What is this green button called?
Create.
Yes.
Right, create. Now once you create this, what you will get? You will go to ad set. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you now. Right. Now once you create, what is the first step you need to do? Select your
Objective.
objective. So I have selected awareness. Now continue. So in first stage, fill all the details and click on next. And fill all the details, click on next. And in third level, add copy, add image or video, and simply click on last button. What is that? Click on.
Publish.
Add a destination.
No. Publish. Click on publish. Isn't it? Now, what all of you has to do is select any one objective. You remember, friends? Select any objective. Somebody will go with the awareness. Somebody can go with the sales. Somebody can go with the leads. Any campaign you select one. Now you got the clarity. And what I request is, don't publish. You need to show me only the copy here. Which copy? The ad copy. The ad copy you need to show here. Right. So this is ad copy. The picture which you are seeing, it is a ad copy. Isn't it? Even you can change another image also. And in the last, you can also change the image. Now we'll also change the image. Add media, add image. Now I'm selecting one more. Add missions. Done. Right. So I have changed the picture. Can you see this? Is it changed or not?
Yes, sir.
So you need to do up to here, because publish means it won't publish. Because what is the problem? Why, sir, it is not publishing? What is the reason? Why it is not publishing? Because in our account, there are no sufficient funds are not there. We have not added any amount. Yes or no?
Sir.
So once we have added the amount, we can run this. Up to here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So all of you has to share your Facebook ad campaign to me. Now don't confuse. Even how we can add the payment means I will show you. Now here, click on this meta. Click on this meta. Right. So can you see the option? If you click on the meta steps, you can see there is an option called bills and payments. Can you see here? Bills and payments.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible? So before publishing, sir, if I want to add the amount means click on bills and payments. Click on bills and payments. Right. Now already, how much amount I have in my account? How much amount I have in my account? Can you see that how many money is there?
500.
Almost 500. Now, if you want to add it, there is a button called here. What is this button?
Add funds.
Yes. What
Add
you need
funds.
to do is, if you have no money, you need to click on add funds. Right. Now it is saying, if you want to add it, you can add, but it needs your debit. Once amount is added, what you can do, you can publish your campaign. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because Facebook ads are the paid ads.
Yeah.
We can't run, because for only for the students' convenience, I have added some amount here to make you understand. If you have not spent the money, if you have no money in the account, you can't. Now even here, you can also see your payment activity. If you click on payment activity, how much amount you are spending. So till now I have not used it. So how much amount is remaining in my account? Still 500 rupees are there with me. If I want to run the campaign, what I need to do, because I said 175 rupees is my daily campaign. How many days I want to do it for?
7 days.
7 days. So 175 into 7.
Yes.
So that much amount need to be there here. Once if the amount is not there, so automatically your campaign will stop, because people will not be shown. The meta will stop your, because
Ad.
what is the problem? Because the problem is insufficient funds.
Balance.
Right. So friends, this is how simple you can create a Facebook ad. So for that, I'll explain again. I'll try to explain in a simple way. You go to your main Facebook, isn't it? Create a business profile. After that, once you created business profile, then click on 9 dots. Right, I'll show you once again. Click on that 9 dots. Right. So friends, this is my official account. Now what I am doing, I'm clicking on 9 dots. What I am doing, if you want to go to page, you can go to page. Or if you want to create an ad, click the ad. Click add here. And you are directly going to ad manager account. Can anybody guide me? We are in Facebook structure page. Now, how many levels are there?
3 levels.
3
Right.
levels.
3 levels. Now, what is the first step we need to do? First step, click on
Create.
Create
create. Very good. Now, after that, what you need to choose?
campaign objective.
Right,
Campaigning.
very good. Campaign objective, isn't it? Now, once I'm selecting campaign objective awareness. Now, click on continue. Now, what we need to do? Give a campaign name, fill the details, and move to the
Next.
Next.
next. And second one is ad set.
Set name.
Create. Okay, give the names. Now, once ad set details are filled, next go for
Next.
next. What is the last stage?
Ads name.
Add name.
Add name. No. Last level is add copy.
Yes.
Add copy means where you can see your final ad. Yes or no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is the ad which is visible to the viewers. Yes or no?
Yes.
And can I publish immediately? If there is no, without adding amount, can I publish?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. So before publishing, what you need to do? Simply keep your cursor on the meta,
Add funds.
keep and go for billing and
Payments.
payments.
Payment.
Billing and payments. And after that, what you need to do? Add
Add
Funds.
amount.
add funds. Add funds. And once your amount is added, straight away go to the campaign and you need to
And-
click on publish. But I am requesting you, you do up to add copy only. Don't publish it. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And you may ask a doubt, sir. Once we have created, is it saved or not? Means 100% it is saved. It is 100% saved, friends. Whatever, how many campaigns you do, all the campaigns you can see here. When you create, you can see all the campaigns here. I'll show you.
In draft.
Right. And it will be saved automatically. Right. Now I'm clicking 9 dots. Add. I'm clicking on add. Right. Now all these are created only. And if you want to edit, if you want to do anything, you can do here. Now, if you see that all these are, and if you click here, now you can see a button called edit.
Edit.
Can you see here? Edit.
Yes,
If
sir.
you click it, you can edit. Even without publishing also, you can go here and you can click here. For example, I have created a New Year sale. Now I am clicking on edit. Right. Right, it is available. Right. Now, straight away we'll go to the you have saved. Right. Isn't it? So can you see the ad copy here?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is how you can do. And please doubts. And what is your task? All of you has to do three things here. First thing is create a Facebook profile. But immediately after that, click on 9 dots and create a business page. That is task 1. Create a business page. Now, once business page is created, next go to the another tab, click on business.facebook.overview. Go to that website and create a ad manager. Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Right. And after creating that, again come back to your page and click on 9 dots, click on add, then you will go to the structure. You will go to the structure page. And what is that structure page? Campaign page, ad set level, ad copy level. Now to
copy.
create a new campaign, click on create, select the campaign objective. Once you select the campaign objective, fill all the details. Whatever the details I said, only fill those. Don't touch anything. And go for the next page. Then next, then add image or video. Even if you can add video also. You can add a video or image, add that and leave it. Don't publish it. Even if you publish also, it won't publish because we have shortage of funds.
Limited
Now
funds.
this is how a Facebook account is created. Now, please, any doubts in this or any doubts in the previous assignment also, you can ask. Or else we'll wind up. Clear?
Sir, I have a small doubt. Sir, you told to create the assignment, right? How should we share the assignment to you?
Canvas, I have added all your rule numbers to Canvas. Even some 20 to 30 students have already shared. Already I have created a Canvas for your strategic marketing paper. In that I have created an assignment. I think some 20 people or 25 people have already what we called as they have shared it. So in that, what you need to do is, you have created a Tumblr and created a blog. Copy the link in a Word and upload.
I'm asking for Facebook ads, sir.
Facebook ad. Same
Yes.
thing. You need to copy the link. For example, this is there. This. Can you see that? This is your page. Isn't it? Assume that this is your page.
Yes,
Share
sir.
your page to me. Share your page link.
Okay.
Share your
WhatsApp.
no. This is also Canvas only. Now this